I'm gonna show you how to fold the fitted sheet in 8 easy steps. Let's go. I know that's how it usually ends up feeling. Step 1, lay the sheet out flat, preferably on the bed like you're gonna make it, and put your hands in the 2 seams up to the point. Step 2, pull the sheet toward you and take the other 2 corners and match the points on top of these 2 points. So you get that. Step 3, you're going to take those points, put them together, fold them over to your right hand. Step 4, we're going to shake it out, lay it down, and the rounded part is going to be tucked in so that you now have a square. Step 5, you're going to take this bottom and meet it up to the top here. Keep it nice and flat. Step 6, fold it again. Now we're gonna fold this in thirds. Step 7 and step 8. And there you have it. A perfectly folded, fitted sheet. If you have more bedding or linen questions, drop them in the comments.